Hello everyone. So today we are going to cover minimum element to add to form a given sum. So the input given here is an integer array and an integer variable limit and goal. So we have to return the minimum number of elements we need to add to make the sum of the array equal to goal. So now let's understand this with an example. So here is our given example. Now our target is to get the goal from adding the sum of given integer array. That is, if you add all the elements in the given array, it will become 1 plus 1 minus 1. The overall sum is 1. Now we have to achieve our goal minus 4. So we need to add something to this array to get our goal. So now there is one constraint, that is our limit. That is, whatever element we add to our given value or given nums array, that should be within the limit, or the absolute of that number should be within the limit. So now if you add the given array nums, we get the sum of 1, but we have to reach our target minus 4. If you add what number, it will give minus 4. So if you add minus 5 with this number, you will get minus 4. But if you see the limit given, the absolute of any number we consider should be within the limit. But the absolute of the number we have taken is 5, but the limit is 3. So obviously we cannot consider 5. So try breaking the numbers. We can't add single number to get our goal here. So in this case, break the numbers. So minus 5 can be represented as minus 4 and minus 1. So this will give us minus 5. If you consider again, the minus 1 comes under the limit, but minus 4 exceeds the limit. In this case, you still can't go with minus 4 and minus 1. So further, how can you break the numbers? These numbers can be broken to minus 3 and minus 2. So in this case, this sums up to minus 5, and also both minus 3 and minus 2 satisfies the condition that is within the limit. And if you add minus 3 and minus 2 with the given numbers, it will result to minus 4. That is 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 3 minus 2 will overall give us minus 4. Thus we have reached our goal. So these are the two numbers that has to be added to the given array, and we require overall two numbers to add to the array. So that is going to be our output. So how are we going to approach this problem? So we have found minus 5 is needed to add it to this array to reach our goal. So now the limit given is 3. So our answer resides within how many 3's you can form in minus 5. That is, you can form 1 3 and the rest is going to be 2. So that is, you totally need 2 characters. If you're not understanding, if our difference is going to be 15 and limit is going to be 3, we need 5 3's to get our 15, right? So you will do 15 by 3. 15 divided by 3, the remainder is going to be 5. So that many numbers you need to add to your array. The same way, if you want to achieve minus 5 and the limit is 3, how many 3's you can form in minus 5? The remainder here is you can form 1 minus 3 and the remainder is 2. So minus 3 and minus 2, we have two numbers to add to our array. So the answer here is nothing but seal of the difference we found by the limit given. So how are we going to do it? We simply gonna do difference by limit every time. If it is a whole number, that is divisible, the difference is divisible by 3. If not, if comes any point value, then we are going to add a 1 to it. That is, if it has some remainder, which means it needed a one more value to be added to the array, so we add a 1 to it. So let's see how we're going to code it. So first we need to calculate the difference needed to achieve our goal. So I'm going to declare a long because the values given here are exceeding the integer value. So I'm going to have a variable sum and iterate through my array to add sum. once we have added the values, I'm going to declare a variable difference to calculate difference between goal and sum. So now sum minus goal will give us actually what is the amount of values that need to be added to the array. So now we are going to return difference by limit plus, if it is a whole number, just return the value. If not, if it is having some reminder, then add 1 with it. So we are going to check if it has a reminder, then add 1, if not add 0. So yes, as we have declared the variables in long, we are converting this to integer, as the return type given here is an integer. So let's run. Greater than 0. Let's submit. So yes, our code is accepted and runs in 1 millisecond. So thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, hit like and subscribe. Thank you.